Next, we're going to talk about how to use the videos tool. So this tool is used to analyze videos on YouTube. So it's pretty self-explanatory how to use it. You just come in here and stick in your main seed keyword. So let's say if we just did DIY and just put search. So this will search YouTube, and you have some options here. So what the software in this particular tool, using this right here, you can only search the first page results of YouTube. But don't worry, there's another way to get all the results. I'll show you that in just a bit. But for now, let's just concentrate on this. So it will get the first page results, and you can also sort the relevance of those first page results, which usually is only about 20 or 30 results, right? So you can do by relevance, upload date, view count, or rating. So I'll just do relevance for now. You also have the option to only select videos that have subtitles, that will definitely contain subtitles. This is handy if you want to convert videos to text by using the video to text tool. So if you want to do that, you can select it as well. If not, don't worry about it. Now we do have an option here to also search Google and Bing, which is really important to search to two best search engines in the world for videos. So you can select how many pages you'd like to search for Google and Bing here. So I'm just going to select all of those right now and go ahead and click search. And so it's going to YouTube. It grabbed a bunch of videos there, and then it went to the first page of Google and the first page of Bing. And then at the same time, it also only grabs the unique videos. So obviously, there's going to be some results that will overlap between Google, Bing, and even YouTube. So it just gets the unique results amongst all three of those. It found 108, and we are downloading all the data for those 108 videos using multiple downloading threads. So I'll show you that in just a second here. So if you go up to settings and click that, you'll see you'll have the downloading threads. I have it set to 5. You can go up to a maximum of 15. What that means is downloading the data for 5 rows at a time simultaneously. So doing it 15 at a time. I usually stick around 5 to 8. Seems to be a good number, but it's up to you depending how fast your internet connection is. So now let's take a look at the data. So down here at the bottom, you do have an image size. So in the first column, you do have your image. So if you want to see it a little bit, you could just make it bigger or smaller, like so. And then here, we could take a look at the data. You get the video ID, the link, the source. The source is YouTube, Google, or Bing. As you can see here, some came from Bing, Google, and YouTube. The search phrase that we used. Now we got the video title, description, and now we have all sorts of cool data. We got the characters in the title, the views, likes, dislikes, rating, number of comments, the length of the video in seconds, when it was published, and then I have another column here. It gives you the number of days since it's been published. So this one's been published for 49 days. Then this does an average. So this takes basically the number of views, which are over here, and divides it by the published days and gives you the average views per day. Then we've got the category it's in. Does it have subtitles or not? The channel link, how many subscribers that particular channel has, and then of course the tags associated with that video. So you could see some of the incredible data that you can get for marketing, and like now you can just quickly sort by just clicking the top column. You can sort any column you want. You want to see views per day, so you can see which ones. This one's only been published for 1 day, got 480 views, so now we can go and see what that is. One handy thing you can do here is if you double click that image, it'll bring up a video details window for you. Now, I have to be honest, when you click the link and go over to YouTube, a lot of time YouTube will suck you in and you'll be sitting there forever browsing a million videos and not actually getting any work done. So I made this little thing so you can just quickly see the data up here. You got access to the title, the tags, and you get access to the description really fast here. So all you have to do is just double click and that window will automatically just update. So let's just put it over here. Gives you a quick way of not getting too distracted from going over to YouTube all the time. So if you just double click the image, it'll quickly show you some data that you want to look at. So you can see the title tags and the image there. So that's a cool feature. Now another really good feature we have in here, so I'm just going to clear that out. So whenever you want to clear out a data grid, you can see down the bottom here, you'll see a little clear button. That'll clear out everything. You do have an optional button down here. Extract the latest trending videos. There's a trending videos section on YouTube and I integrated in here. So if we just click that, it'll always just download the latest trending videos right now. And there looks like there's 82 of them. And so that's a handy little thing as well. So now you instantly got access to all the data from the top videos right now. And a lot of times it's quite incredible. Like if you come over here, you go views per day, 43 million views per day. It's only been published for 2 days. So I wonder what video that one is. I'm not sure what that is, but it could be a music video or something like that. Anyhow, I don't want to get distracted by YouTube at the moment. But that's a cool thing to think, or cool thing to see. So you can really have your finger on the pulse to understand what's going on in YouTube. So the next thing I want to show you is the browse or import option. This one is very powerful and I think you'll be using this part a lot. So let's go here, and what you want to do is click on the browser. This is an integrated browser. And remember I mentioned before that using this tool here, you can only search the first page results. Well, let me show you how you can search anything. So this is just a built-in browser. You've got bookmarks on the left-hand side. Inside the middle is the browser, regular browser stuff up here. And over here, this is going to be the place where it can collect videos or channels. So I'm going to concentrate on videos for this particular thing we're doing here. So let's go ahead and go to YouTube. I have a couple of bookmarks automatically in here, but you can click trends, or you can go directly to YouTube. Dismiss. Of course, you can log into your account. I'm not logged into my account at the moment, but let's say I was searching for like knife making. And I wanted to research knife making ideas, but now here you can do anything you want. So let's say if we go in the filters, I want to look at knife making, I don't know, video under 4 to 20 minutes in the last month. I want HD. I want to see rating. I don't know, I'm just choosing a bunch of different filters. And now you've got all these videos and I want to analyze those videos. So what we can do here is we can just keep scrolling down with our mouse if we want. I do have an auto scroll button. You just click that. It'll automatically scroll for you, and it tells you how many times it's been scrolling. So let's scroll maybe 10 times here. Once you're satisfied, hit stop. Then what we do is go ahead and click, I want to extract the video links in this page. So you do that. Now it does take some time because there's a lot of data it has to go through to get those links. So you just got to be patient for a second here and it should get them. So it found 376 video links. So once you're satisfied, you can go add links, and you got a couple options down here. So you want to add links to videos tool or channels tool. So we're analyzing videos. So if we go videos tool, you do that. And then it asks you whether or not you want to close this window if you do or not. So if you click no, it'll just keep the window open, but I'm just going to click yes. It's going to close it for me, and it automatically adds the links into here. This is the browser import section, and now I got all of them in there. And all you have to do is just click analyze, and it'll start chugging away and analyzing all of those videos that we were doing on there. So if we can go stop here. I'm not going to do them all, just to show you the power of that actual tool. So let's clear this out. Oops. Hit browse. So you can see just how powerful this is. And say you got favorite channels or favorite things on YouTube that you always go to, and you can just create bookmarks over here really, really easily. So let's say, for example, this particular knife maker here, in their videos, I like this. I want to I'd like to bookmark this. So if you want to bookmark this, you can go here and you create bookmark, and you make a label. I call this Creator QI, and I want a optional folder. Well, I'll put it in the YouTube folder and it's create bookmark, and there it is. So next time I want to go to this, I just double click it, come here, and I'm inside that particular, whoops. There we go. So now we're in that particular thing. And if I want to actually, view all the videos, let me just clear out these links here. Oh, clear links. There it is. Forgot where I put the button for a second. Now let's say I want to actually analyze all of this person's videos from their channel. I can do the auto scroll thing here and let it go down a bit. It's not scrolling anymore, so I'll stop it. Extract the video links. You have 31 videos, and now I can go ahead and add those, and I can analyze all the videos from that given channel. So that's pretty powerful as well. So now you get an idea of just what you can do with TubeAtlas. It's pretty much limitless when you utilize the integrated web browser to do things. So it's very exciting. And so that's how I got around the idea of not being able to, when you do the search from in here, you can only do the first page results. But if you want to do infinite number of pages, then do this. All you have to do is just start searching up here for anything you want, DIY, home, and you want to get, 20 pages of results, then just start scrolling for 20 pages and you'll get 500 to limitless number of videos. Now you can just go ahead and extract those links, add them, and start analyzing just like that. So pretty awesome. Another cool little feature here is, let's say you want to log in to your YouTube, because maybe in your account you have certain things you like looking at or certain channels that you investigate all the time in your research. So you like to log into your YouTube account. So you can, I have a little bookmark here. Of course, you can just go to YouTube and you can see the sign in at the top. It just goes to the same place. Now, instead of typing it in here all the time, I did have a little user pass button up here. If you click that, you'll notice you get these options here where you can copy your saved YouTube username and password. And there's also a YouTube login here. If you click that, it goes to the same page. But if you click on Open Settings, you'll see here there's a YouTube login place there. You can enter in your username, which is basically your email, and your password, and you can click Apply, and it'll save to your computer. Also note that the password is actually encrypted on your computer. So it's saved in a settings file on a computer, but it's encrypted so no one can get it or steal it or anything like that. So, and it's completely optional. You don't have to put it in the software, but if you just want to save a little bit of time, when you go to log in, you could just go and copy username, hit there, and just go Control V on your keyboard, or right click and paste, and then click Next. And then here you can go user pass, copy password, and then now you can log in. And now you can go to, stuff that you do inside of your YouTube channel that you'd like to research. Now you got access to it. So, and of course, if you don't want to do that, you can always go up here and just sign out. But that's a cool little other feature there that you can log in by using your stored username and password up here. Well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.